GreenLight is a Mac application that runs alongside InDesign. So InDesign on the Mac is running, and I'm going to launch GreenLight alongside it. So when GreenLight first launches, you'll see a couple of panels. I suggest we keep this mini panel around. It just hovers on top of our InDesign. This larger one just confirms your version number, and we use the ID number and the client name to make sure you're using the right checks. The first time you launch GreenLight, we set up the Mac. So we are adding the settings to your Mac automatically. The PDF presets, the color settings that we need to use are all placed into the right locations on your Mac, ready to use. And GreenLight will use them when the time comes. Also, every time you launch GreenLight, the checklists are retrieved from our server. So this means that everyone using GreenLight is always using the up to the minute version of the checks and the checklists that we want them to. In the GreenLight setup menu, this is where we can set our active checklist. So if we're using the GreenLight custom version, you don't have to do this step because individual publishers have their own checklists which are all automatically switched depending on who is running, what type of document they're checking. But for this version and this demo, I'm going to show GreenLight Pro, and here's where we set the active checklists. So the checklists that have just been retrieved are listed here, and I'm going to show a Pro Coed interior check for this demo. So I'm going to activate this checklist. And once that's okayed, I'm ready to use that for GreenLight.